Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video I will tell you two major updates from the Grok's X AI. And yeah, so let's start with our first update. So this is our first update, and this basically said you can now generate Grok Images videos basically with the help of dark images, where there is no necessity of any character in the image. All you need is just a black image plus a detail prompt. Basically, you don't need a custom image to generate the videos from the Grok Imagine. And this is our first update. Now I will show you how you can do that into grok.com. First of all, we have to go to this website grok.com, and then we have to click here. This is the Imagine option to generate the videos and the audios. And now we have to attach a file that's a black screen. So this is the image that we are going to use. So I have attached this. So now we have to wait. So it will automatically generate a video out of this black screen, and it will not what we want because we haven't give the prompt to them. So we have a prompt already ready here. So we have to write a detailed prompt that contain subject, scenes, motion, aesthetic control, and the stylizations. So we have already set up a prompt. This is subject Salman Khan, scene jumping from the roof, motion falling on his back, aesthetic control like a drone shot, and stylish like a cyberpunk. This is the video that this is Grok Imagine that generated from the out of the black screen. How we can edit this? Just click here its window and click on the custom, and now we have to enter our prompt here. So now let me just copy this prompt and click here and just click on this play button. Now we have to wait for some seconds here because it is re-rendering the complete image and these videos. Okay, it almost 50% is completed and 70%, and we have to wait for some second more. Okay, now we have this image, and this is the image that is just generated. I don't know why it's flying, but we have give it the image like a drone shot. Basically it's a drone shot and a person falling from, it's not falling from it is skying, but that's it. It just generated from a black image. So basically now you don't need the custom image to generate a videos. Now you can do that, generate the videos out of just out of the black image. And that's it for our first update. And now let's move to our second update. So this is our second update. That's basically said now you can just generate videos just in a one tap. So basically when you try to post something, so when you hit the this post button, and when you attach your image here, so basically then before posting you will get this video button. So basically it's not available right now because it just published about 3 hours ago. So it not published yet for the all users, so it will take some time 24 hours at least. So this is our first update. Basically you can just generate convert this image into the proper video in just one click before the posting the post. So this is a good example. As you can see, this is the post they have this posted, and this is example of that they just created out of the Grok images. So yeah, that's all for this update. I hope you find this updates helpful, and if you find this update helpful, you can consider to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.